Just want to share with you what I just heard yesterday from a friend. He took a cab from Bet Shemesh to Tel Aviv with a very secular driver, very secular. So the driver is listening to the radio and he's sitting in the back. He's learning. And the radio is speaking about the fallen soldiers, the heroes that died in the war. At one point, the driver looks back at him and says, you know, dying on Kiddush Hashem is also very important. Suggesting it's very nice that you're learning, but maybe you should be involved in other things as well. So he responds back and he says, it's true, dying on Kiddush Hashem is very important. But you know, living on Kiddush Hashem is also very important. The ride continues. Families and the radio are discussing their loved ones, the soldiers, the heroes, and they're telling unbelievable things about these heroes. What great character traits, things that they did, unbelievable. The driver starts crying. He looks back and he says to him, no, you're frum. What do you say about these stories, about these heroes? What do you have to say? Instead of answering, he says to him, and what do you say? What insight can you take from this to your life? The driver says, I don't know, it's very inspiring. I don't know what to take from it, but it's very inspiring. She says to him, I'll tell you what I say, tell you what I think. What I'm learning from these stories about these unbelievable heroes, they were apparently great people, but you know, I never attended a eulogy and I heard derogatory things. I was never in a cemetery and I saw on the gravestone, this guy was nasty. Never. Tell me, is this world so perfect? Are all these people really so amazing? Can't be. So what is it? It's our choice that after one dies to look only at the positive character traits. Tell me, why in the world do we have to wait until one falls in battle, until one dies, and then decide to look at the good positive character traits? Why can we do it when we're still alive? That's what I'm taking from it. Why do you have to wait until one's demise to then focus and see only the beauty, only the good character traits? Why can't we say the same thing? Focus and look at the good character traits when one is still alive. That will fix a lot of different things.